a girl, finest girl in the world. I didn't know I could feel this way. Think about her all the time, always on my mind. I didn't know I could feel this way. All a man should do is true. All a man should do is true. I'm in love with a girl, finest girl in the world. I didn't know about love. That's a Big Star. I'm in love with the girl. It's an E. Just got 3 chords. E, A. Quick change to A. Quick change again. B, A. Back to E. That's the verse. There's 3 verses. Then a quick change. E to A. B. A to E. I think it has a bridge. Bridge is A. Hangs on A. Goes back to E. This is the all a man should do bridge. Is true. B. You can play that as a B7. Last verse. E. A. E. B. A. That's how it ends. The rhythm is 1, 2, 3, and 4 in. You could, so I guess you could say down, 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 up, down, up. Here, I'll play it with the B7. B7, just maybe easier for some people. It sounds to me like, in the recording, it sounds to me like it's just a B. You can play the B like an A, like this. Take your A, move it to the 4th fret. That's just like without the bass note. Just keep your strumming tight if you're going to do that. Just you want to hit strings 4, 3, 2. You can mute the 5th and the 1st strings with your fingers. All right. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed that song. Thanks. Bye.